This 2020 Forest River Flagstaff 529BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, Slideout, LP detector, awning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, oven, water heater, TV, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Forest River Flagstaff 529BH is 8,987 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.